How to transfer money on Starling Bank App. This will send money to a friend or to pay a bill on the Starling Bank App. So the first step is to go to the bottom left hand corner and click on the payments icon. Then click on add a payee. That should be towards the middle of that page. Then you want to put in the first name and the last name of the account holder, or click on business and then put in those details there. Then once you've done that, you should see a page where you want to click on pay. Then you'll want to type in the amount that you owe that person. So go ahead and type in that amount. Then you want to click on review payment. Once you have typed in the payment reference first of all, but then afterwards click on review payment, then click on make payment there, making sure all the details are correct. It will process for a few seconds, then it will say done, payment successful, and you will see this page here where you want to click on done. Then that final page there will be the confirmation of your payment and how much you paid. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.